How's it going? This is Minelab's new Go Find 60 metal detector. I'll be talking about it more probably in other videos and showing you the Go Find app and whatnot, but what I want to do today is just do a depth test with it and some recovery maybe and separation. So I'm going to go ahead and get the camera set up so you can see that screen good, and we'll get going on this. Alright, got her all set up. I'm running just sensitivity to the max. This is a turn on and go metal detector. It has auto ground, basically I do believe tracking ground balance, and for separation it's quite simple. Getting rid of nails or whatever you want, and then your volume, and you do have a backlight. So get right to the punch here, where somebody's probably wondering about depth. This first target here is a quarter at 4 inches, and I'm not separating anything out, and I got the sensitivity on max. And you got your pinpoint. Hitting a 4-inch quarter pretty damn easy. Now for the 7-inch quarter, what people are wondering if they could possibly hit it or not. I'm going to go ahead and attempt to hit a 7-inch quarter. Maybe not. I was just joking, I am. I'm going to try anyways. Now a 7-inch quarter. You notice it's coming up as iron. I've had it hit once in a while, it'll hit in as a quarter. But one way to find out, when you go to pinpoint, which I just did, see how faint that is compared to the 4-inch quarter? So take pinpoint off, we'll try that again. It's almost hitting it. And I'm going to skip the 10-inch quarter. Well, it's actually coming up iron, but it is hitting it. Turn pinpoint on. Won't even pinpoint. Four-inch dime. A little bit there. Let it sit a minute. That's to do with that auto ground tracking. If this were to have manual ground balance on it, it'd probably be a lot better. That was the 4.5-inch dime. Picks it up pretty good. Now an 8-inch dime. It is actually hitting it. Tell it's very deep. I don't care what kind of metal detector you have, an 8-inch dime, they're hard to hit. Now this is, might as well say, ideal conditions, but if you were to run into an 8-inch dime sitting out in the middle somewhere, there is a chance you're going to pick it up. This quarter, kind of the same, but you have to run with discrimination basically off. You start blocking out stuff, so you just want, say, rings, pull tabs, and coins. Nothing. There's this 4-inch quarter. You're gonna miss that bigger than heck. 4-inch dime, 4.5-inch dime. Yeah, and then 8-inch dime. You know something's there. Pinpoint. So you're probably looking at maybe 7 inches with this thing. Now I'm gonna take discrimination completely off, and we have I think it's a penny, a nickel, and a dime. I want to try recovery speed and separation here. Kind of a little bit slow compared to some better higher end metal detectors for recovery. 4-inch quarter. Run the sensitivity up. Turn discrimination off. So that it does hit the 7-inch quarter. Tell it's deep, but you run into a 7-inch quarter, you're not going to it's not going to come up on these on the screen as one, most likely. It's going to come up as a chunk of iron, maybe once in a while. Same with the 8-inch dime. Close. So if I had to guess, I'd have to say in my soil and the way this is set up, you're probably running about maybe 6, close to 7 inches. So there you go for the depth test on this thing.